A girl with a velvet soul once sat in a tree at night. She looked to the stars, tilted her head, and wished upon a light. May I find a friend who sees me. May I find someone who won't leave me. May I find a lover who is both wise and kind. You are my peace. You are my energy. You are the best of the world, and you are the best of me. The universe bowed to the girl and said, "You will have the love that you believe you deserve. You will have the light your heart truly seeks, girl with your velvet soul and your freckled cheeks. You are my cotton candy sky. You are a soft flickering night at light. You are a solemn stone, and you are the voice I have known." So she dreamt of a soft love, and she wished for a strong love to match her velvet soul. She conceived of the man with stars in his eyes, a man with a soul like the sky, infinite and wise. You are my truth, you are my light, you are my patience, you are a drop of rain, and you are the whole sea. The little girl first had to believe she deserved the love she was to receive, and so she grew and fought herself until she could see that you and she were meant to be. You are my muse, you are my spark, and you are the one who will follow me into the dark. Tonight, a woman with a velvet soul will look at a man with stars in his eyes, knowing she deserves his love and knowing she will stay by his side. With heartbeats that beat alone, but one that beats together, you make me better, and we are better together.
I have some things to say to my best friend, my lover, my creative partner and inspiration, my confidant, my moon and stars and meaning and breath. I want to tell her, in front of these who mean the most to us, how I feel and what I swear to. Rachel, words fail to describe how deeply I love and am committed to you and to us and our family. Communication is unable to express how you have stirred my soul since the moment we met, but you've taught me more than anyone in life the virtue of finding my words. So here I am to say to you that you're the most impressive person I have ever met. You're the coolest person I know. You are uniquely intelligent and insightful. You're insanely well-read. You're an artist in every action. You're even borderline better than me in Destiny 2. Your beauty leaves me stunned at every glance and always has. You strive for your truth and you don't live your life for anyone else's idea of what is good and right. You are so brave. You are so strong. I have never been so sure of anything as I am of our love. When I hold you close and close my eyes, that's truth. That's what's real. Life leaves me with uncertainty at every turn, but at my center is the truth and strength of our love.
I love you two together. I love the way you laugh together. I love the way you game together. I love the way you support each other, and I love the way Mike looks at you. I see him giving you these little glances, and it chokes me up. And not only do you compliment each other, you challenge each other, I think, in such an important way.
Michael and Rachel, today you sit before us as the ultimate symbol of love. For those of us who are married, you remind us to take joy in the gravity of romance. For the others who have yet to find their soulmate, You exist as role models for what is possible within the formidable domain of the human heart.
As long as I've known Rachel, I've watched her continually push herself to grow and change. It isn't the responsibility of our partners to make us better. It's our own responsibility. And when we're invested in our own development, in ourselves, to become more wholesome and reflective people, then we become more invested in the happiness and love of our partner.
I want all of you. I want the clumsy you that breaks things. I want the patient you that lets me rant. I want the timid you that holds things in. And I want the brave you that refuses to settle. I want the silly you that sings songs with me to our dogs. And I want the grumpy you that refuses to let me take care of you when you're sick. I want the giving you that takes the harder tasks for yourself. And I want the you that I see and the you who truly sees me back. I want the you with a twisted past and an unsure future.
I promise to be honest, kind, calm, grateful, and supportive. I vow to always choose love and humility, growth and compassion. I swear to you here in front of our families that I will put the best of myself into us as you deserve and inspire in me.
I promise to be with you for the rest of your journey in this world and the next one. I promise to be your biggest supporter. I promise to love you deeply with all of me that exists. I promise to dream with you and to prioritize our growth together. I promise to carry the weight when you cannot. I promise to be honest even when it's hard. I promise to always try to see you and really see you when you feel alone in the world. I promise to snuggle with you, our bodies a pair of parentheses. I promise to never stop making memories together. I promise to be your best friend, your lover, your partner, and your light. And I love you. These are the things that do not have a home in our relationship. My need to be right, my fear of being alone, my inability to trust, and negative talk about myself and yourself.
You inspire me to let go of selfishness, myopia, carelessness, anger, and emotional paralysis. This is what I will give up to grow with you.
Rachel and Michael, I now pronounce you man and wife. Michael, you make us the bride.
Tonight, a woman with a velvet soul will look at a man with stars in his eyes, knowing she deserves his love and knowing she will stay by his side. With heartbeats that beat alone, but one that beats together, you make me better and we are better together.